Welcome back to another vlog. Thank you for all the support throughout the week with the Lime Mountain race vlog. So it's Friday night. We have a race tomorrow. Racing at the Mason is a tough truck event. We were invited to go out around 8 o'clock tomorrow night and just do grudge matches with everybody. That's gonna be fun. And then we're gonna roll into Sunday morning at Steamerama and actually race in the UTV class, possibly grudge matches at the end of the day there. But before all of that, we're actually gonna hit up my high school that I went to, their car show. Tomorrow morning, early in the morning. I think it starts at 9. So let's recap. I broke an axle. I didn't really break an axle at Lime Mountain. It bent, the boot came off, got shoved with dirt, started locking up on me. Something funny happened. But yeah, it's Friday night. I think it's like 8:30, and I didn't touch this car all week. All I did was wash it. So yeah, so it's prime time right now. It's time to take the knuckle apart, take the A-arms off, pop out the axle, and put the new axle in. So let's get started. Oh! My gosh!
Not supposed to move like that.
That was one more thread from going off and the whole wheel falling off. One more thread. That was nothing.
Like you seen all those videos like the tire bouncing by?
That was us. And that's why the caliper bolt was loose. Because the caliper was the only thing keeping this rotor on from falling off. What happened? Wow. Wow.
That's a little piece that you made, right?
Like, oh my gosh, we didn't break anything. Well, the other than the axle here.
That's a miracle.
We just got to the car show, loaded the machine up on the trailer, packed the little tires in the back of the truck because we don't want a small tire. We don't want a tough truck tires on for the car show. We want to make it look mean, 35-inch tires. We like that. We have the jack. We're gonna park in the back lot with the truck, and yeah, car's already at the car show. I'll take some footage of some vehicles here. And then once we're done, we'll wrap it up at 1 o'clock, bring the Can-Am back, put small tires on it, and head to the tough truck race tonight. Let's go. car show was a success. Now it's like 1 o'clock. I want to leave here by 2 o'clock. I just got to change to my tough truck tires, throw the tires in the back of the truck, and then we're on our way to racing with the Mason. It's like 2 hours away, so we're on schedule yet. We were entered in with a non-truck 4x4, so we'll see. They judge and they see what people voted for. Hopefully they voted for us. If not, we're here for fun. There's some crazy looking Broncos there. My buddy Colton Cosmer, he has a cool Bronco. That's definitely what I would have voted for. Isn't it nice when your ratchet thing's broke right there? You gotta like somehow like twist it, but I can't. It's stuck on Titan. That's why we have pliers.
Wait, we're gonna crop that out.
Probably not. Here we go. You know, instead of taking it back and getting a new one, nah, we'll keep it. Oh, and then you're not supposed to jack up the car until you have like the lug nuts loose because it does this. You know, you think I would know this by now. I do know that would jam if I kept it like that.
Wow, look at far back it went. That was crazy.
Wood Shop Club did. Those trophies look amazing. I do want a trophy. Like I said though, my buddy's Bronco, you can't beat that. Can't beat that Bronco. I love it. No matter how much fresh white paint I put on before I came here, can't beat it. All the tires shine. After pressure washing, my beadlock turned red because I forgot that we painted it black. So I had to paint it black again before the car show.
I keep patting you.
Oh, you want some more? Want some more?
Yummy. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, yeah.
You like that?
Oh, I didn't like that camera.